Someone do it.
Wait. Somebody do it. Who should we pick?
Fucking Mitch. Do it for Miss Neiman. Wig off.
Ready? Can we use our hands now?
Hey, wait.
Jared Yarnell.
Wait.
You're the resurrected doll.
Hey, don't go too hard. You cannot use your hands.
It's so fucking hard at this. I don't know how am I supposed to go.
Let him use your hands.
Ready? Wait.
No hands.
Wait,
that one. Somebody no hands.
Look, Ma, no hands.
Tyler,
Wait, let them use hands, but you have to shove it in your mouth.
You have to go hard.
Listen, use your hands, but don't
eat
vote.
it.
Oh, cow.
Come on, Cal.
Cow.
Do it.
McCoy, you wear that shirt every week. McCoy.
Mitch.
All right, Dashov's gonna eat two.
Fuck the middle one.
3. Wait.
Oh, fuck that shit. Fuck that shit.
So necessary.
Fuck that shit.
Wait, what shit are we fucking? Robert, that one has gross stuff.
I'm not eating that shit.
Ew, that's gross. Ew, it's like pepper.
All right,
Pepper dick.
2, 1, go!
Oh shit! Holy fucking shit! Fucking shit!
Get in there.
Eat that shit! Let's see it, boys. Hold on. Eat that shit. Let's see it. Let's see your mouth. Let's see your mouth.
Aaron, it's yours.
Oh yeah, look at that cream everywhere.
Wait, there's another one.
Aftermath. Eat that shit. Grabber. Oh, shit. Hold on. Get back in the... What the fuck are you doing, Grabber?
Let me play football.
What? When the fuck did Aaron play football?
No.
Oh, it's going on Instagram! Oh, it's Tumblr famous! You are now Tumblr famous. Congratulations.